Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper for an elderly person. In order to do that, go into settings, then scroll all the way down until you find accessibility. Then you can go to display size and text, and now you can adjust these settings the way you need them. So here is the font size. You can increase or decrease the font size. By increasing it, you make it more visible, and you can also increase the display size so all of the elements on screen will be bigger. You can enable bold text if you need that, and you can also enable high contrast text, so the text will have higher contrast, so it will be also more visible. And you can see that now I have gesture navigation. It may not be too intuitive for an unexperienced person, so in order to change it, go into Settings. Then in Settings, find Button and Gestures. Then System Navigation, and you can change it to Button Navigation. Now it may be much easier because you have these three buttons: Back button, Home button, and Open Apps button. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.